Winter fashion doesn't just mean parkas and oversized sweaters, and I've got fashion expert Nicola Loewen here showing us how to take it to work. So thanks for being with me, Nicola.
Thank you for having me.
I'm excited for these looks. You brought two lovely ladies with you. Who do we have first?
So we've got Christina first.
Okay.
So we're talking winter workwear because it's so hard to feel inspired to put clothes on in these cold temperatures.
Or if you just want to put on like all the clothes.
Exactly, right? Layer, layer, layer. So what the best part about Christina's look is that it's this monochromatic.
Just hot.
Yeah, it's stunning, stunning. But the way to achieve that is by bringing in lots of textures and different layers, right?
Okay.
So we've got her in this great kind of almost like an oatmeal champagne color jacket, and it's got it's a faux fur essentially, right?
Yeah.
So it's got
but
a
it's
little
not
bit
the
of
big
a
bulky fur.
Exactly. So it's not super trendy in that sense. It's definitely going to be more of that classic piece in your wardrobe, which is great, right?
So it's a good invest in something like that.
Yeah, something more staple in your closet.
What we always
great
called a
color.
dress coat.
Exactly.
Right, yeah.
Love the length of it because it is something to, you want something that's going to cover your bum, especially in the colder temperatures, right? So I always say go with a little bit of a longer coat, hit the knee if you can, which is really great. It's going to add that extra layer of warmth.
Beautiful. Now, talking like monochromatic, I love this dress she has.
Yeah, so it's this ribbed oatmeal dress. It's beautiful. It's got that turtleneck.
Nice and warm.
Exactly.
You never, the office can be a little chilly.
It is,
sometimes.
totally. It's fitted dress, love it. We've paired it with this great cognac belt, so it definitely ties in the cognac booty. But what I love about that is that it actually kind of makes it more look like a set.
It does. It looks more like it gives that office
It's not
appeal
just the
to
dress.
it.
It's this great little look. It could be
an
a blouse.
ensemble.
Exactly. Yeah. And then again, too, it's that texture with that rib knit detail paired with that kind of faux fur.
You look like you
just
could
adds
go
a little
from
bit.
boardroom to dinner very easily with this.
So we've given her more of a sleek clutch to do with it. We did do a pop of color with the olive, but it's still fairly neutral.
Yeah.
But what I love about a bag like this is this could slip into your work bag very easily. And then if you're going to go meet someone for dinner after, it's a great piece that you can just take your wallet and cell phone out for dinner.
I love it. Perfect. Thank you, Christina. Now we have Julie with us, right?
So I love Julie's look because it's something, I think it is more of the classics and the basics that we have in
It's
our
a
wardrobe.
play on that classic
Exactly.
look.
But then we've added this pop of color, so it's got a great pop of emerald. And I think if you're gonna add any color to your wardrobe this season, do it in a knit. Because it's something that's going to be paired with multiple different pieces throughout the season.
Well, absolutely. You can take it, as you did from business, to a casual very easily. And we always think of that knit more with a casual look, but you paired it underneath a work blazer.
Yeah, so we did this great plaid blazer. It adds just that pop of texture again, too. You want to do layers and texture and all that fun stuff this season, right? Because it's pieces that are going to work with lots of different options. So it's great plaid.
Now talk to me about the pants.
Yeah, so high-waisted wool pant. It's not just your traditional pant, it's a wool pant. Again, we're getting that texture, we're getting that warmth. The high-waisted works really great with that crop sweater too. It showcases both pieces, right? They both get to shine in the outfit, which is really great.
They bounce out really well, and then with a little cuff on the bottom.
Yeah, it just adds a little bit, almost more menswear inspired then too, right? Which just
that business look.
Exactly. Yeah, and then we've paired it with a great black suede pump, which is really fun too.
You can't go wrong.
Yeah, and a
with
classic
suede.
in your wardrobe, right? You need that in there, and it's going to add that extra little pop of texture.
Well, thanks so much, Nicola. Guys, for more information, you can visit markandmandy.com. That's all the time we have for today. We'll see you next time on The Mark and Mandy Show.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.